MCC Just Motos. Good morning, guys. It's Andy from MCC Just Motos. Today I'm going to be cleaning my extremely dirty and dusty, brand new to me, 2008 Royal Enfield Bullet Electra. Let me show you what I need to do and how I'm going to do it. All right, so you can check out my video. I think it's going to be right here on my pickup of this one. Runs amazing, starts amazing, but dirty as hell. Some dent stings, scratches. Got it for a good deal in Pennsylvania. But man, this thing was sitting in a sawmill and it's so dirty with all sorts of junk and everything on there. You can just see it's super dirty. What I'm gonna do, look at that. I did make one clean spot to try, and I think the paint's beautiful underneath, but this bike is so dirty that I gotta clean it. And all I'm gonna do first of all is use soap and water. Got some Armor All car wash, clean it up and see what the before and after will look like to see what we can get. Okay, first stage is done. I turned off my hoses, so I had to fill up buckets in case you were wondering what I was doing. I wash it with just soap and water. Some scratches and scrapes. Next step is I'm gonna degrease a little bit the chain, and that's really it. Not too much, just to maybe clean up a little in there. Maybe a little in there. See if we can degrease a little bit, get in the nooks and crannies, and then polish up. But you can already tell it's starting to look a lot cleaner and a lot better. Wow. All right, so the best way to clean a chain is to actually use WD-40, spray it on the chain, and use a chain scrubber, and then we'll lube it later. The WD-40 will move all the old gunk off, and then we'll put the new chain lube on. So we'll go ahead and do that. Obviously, you want to put it on the center stand so you can move the tire, and just spray nice and a nice good amount on the chain. All right, so we've gone around a few times. Then just use the chain scrubber. All right. And go on the other side and get it that way. There we go. Chain's pretty loose. I think I might have to tighten it a little bit. Good. All right, let's clean it off. Get a rag. You don't need a particularly clean rag. Just kind of drying it off here. Getting the gunk out. Whew. Look at that. What I'm going to do, because the chain's pretty loose here, I'm going to get the specifications and tighten it up while it's on the center stand. I'm going to clean up a little, like I said, get some of the grease in there and in there. The last part of my quick clean, I'm not going to get the metal polish today, but I am going to do some detail and wax, some S1000 cleaner wax or detail wax, and then a microfiber. You can see there's some residue right there. Let's see what the S1000 can do to it. Cause you don't use this product, blah, 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 spray can, upright position, spraying the soft cloth directly on the bike. Don't allow to dry. Ooh. Yes, this bike has some dents in it. Yep. Might need a little bit of cleaner polish. I think that's step number 2. So there, I don't know if the video is going to show. Let's see the cleaner polish. I'm using McGuire's cleaner wax. See what we got. You can get rid of some of those stains. If I was doing this right, I'd take the seat and all that stuff off. Just kind of doing this quick to see how it's going to look. Okay, let's try the microfiber cloth again. Oh yeah, much better. I think that's going to be the way to go. A little bit happier. Do I even get panels down here? I don't know. I'll try. All right, that's the initial clean. We'll call this the after. There's all sorts of good stuff, such as polishing you can do. It doesn't have much rust on the bike. It definitely has some scrapes on there, a dent or so. But yeah, it's in actually overall really good shape. It was absolutely kept inside. Touring seat on there. Everything is in decent shape for 2008. Doesn't leak. Runs, starts really easy. And all the lights work, the horn works, everything works. I'm pretty pleased with this so far. Let's go ahead and get it inside, let it dry off. I don't like to start it after I wash it, just because water, you don't want water to go in places electrical that you don't want them. So let the water evaporate, and then we'll go for a ride. Guys, that's gonna do it for me. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next episode. What do you want to know about this AVL Royal Enfield Bullet Electra?